Hello and welcome back to Gears and Grease. Today we're going to be installing a genuine accessory from Royal Enfield. We have the large engine guard. They make them in two different versions, the large and the compact. We're going to be installing the large version. This was one of the many parts and accessories that I ordered from eBay India. I did a separate video on that. I'll leave a link below for you if you want to check that out and get an idea of what to expect from ordering parts from eBay India. Basically, it came in this really thin cardboard box. It has only a single layer of bubble wrap on it, and the box is really thin and it actually wore through in a couple of places. It could have gotten damaged. Some of the bolts could have come out. Just something to be aware about when ordering from eBay India. So inside the box it comes with instructions, 3 new bolts. You're going to reuse one of the nuts, and this is what the engine guard looks like. It's got some nice Royal Enfield laser engraving on both sides. Overall, it looks pretty good. Let's see what the install is like. Here's all the tools I used. I used a torque wrench with an extension and 14mm socket, a 3/8 ratchet, and a 14mm wrench or spanner. We're going to start by removing these 2 bolts that mount the engine to the frame. The kit comes with new bolts, so if you want to remove your engine guard in the future, you can save those bolts and reuse them. Slide this bolt out, move either of these bolts on the side. There's actually a nut on this side, so if it rotates, you're going to need to get a wrench on that side. We're going to reuse our washers from our old hardware, both on the top and the bottom. So interestingly, it doesn't matter which side you put the engine guard on. You could put it with the Royal Enfield logo on the outside or the inside. It fits, the bolts line up either way. So whatever your preference is. Tightening these bolts is absolutely critical. Even in the Royal Enfield instruction manual, it instructs that you need to tighten all the hardware here to 45 Newton meters. If you do not follow their instructions, you could experience engine vibration, or your bolts could even back out, and your engine mounts to the frame using these bolts. So absolutely critical. I bought this torque wrench on Amazon for like 30 bucks. If you plan on working on any of your vehicles, this is an absolutely critical tool to have. So if you don't have one, I highly recommend you get one. You want to get all the hardware snug before you torque it down to spec. So we're going to tighten this till we hear it click. Just like that. You may need to hold the back of the nut with a wrench or spanner. Once it clicks, that's it, it's tight. All right, well, that's it. We added some protection to the bike. We added some style. I think it really looks good. There's 2 different versions. There's a compact and a large, this being the large. I didn't go with the compact one because I think it looks a little funky. This offers a lot better protection too. That's all for this video. I had a lot of parts and accessories ordered for this bike that I ordered from eBay India. If you want to see more of that, you can definitely subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. I have a lot more video and content planned for this channel. You definitely don't want to miss that. If you like the video, let me know. If you have a Royal Enfield, let me know which one you have in the comments and where you're from. If there's any special accessories that you want to see on this bike, also let me know. You never know, it might actually be part of some of the stuff I ordered for it. Well, until then, stay dirty, friends. Thanks for watching.